Explore the beauty of nature with Fun Travel. Fun Travel Company help you reach your desired destination to ecotourism. Fun Travel presents ecotourism. What is ecotourism? Ecotourism is a responsible travel to natural areas that conserve the environment, sustains the well-being, and improves the welfare of local people via sustainable development. The Fun Travel Company takes you to 5 best ecotourism places in South Africa, and those include the Kruger National Park, the Table Mountain, Isimangaliso Wetland Park, Namakoland, and Ukahlamba Drakensberg Mountain. The Kruger National Park is located in the Northern Cape with over 336 different species that inhabited it. This includes the national's Big Five, which are the lion, elephant, rhino, leopard, and buffalo. Secondly, we have the Table Mountain. The Table Mountain is located in the Western Cape in Cape Town. The cableway has provided more than 24 million visitors with an unforgettable experience, taking them to the top of the mother city, Cape Town. Thirdly, we have the Isimangaliso Wetland Park. This is a World Heritage Site located in the province of KwaZulu-Natal with superlative natural beauty and unforgettable experience. Again, we have the Namakoland. This eco-tourist destination is found in the Northern Cape. Imbued with the story of the Namakoland daisies of dreaming or over fertile flowers that transform the almost lifeless Namakoland into an exquisite floral display of beauty during spring. Lastly, but definitely not least, we have the Ukahlamba Drakensberg Mountain. The Ukahlamba Drakensberg Mountain is located in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. It is the highest in South Africa and offers incredible natural beauty because of its range of plant life and mountains. Ecotourism does not only beautify the land and attract tourists to South Africa, but it also has a good impact on people, the economy of the country, as well as the sustainability of environment. The Fun Travel Company also highlights the importance and benefits of ecotourism. Firstly, ecotourism is a great benefit, more especially to local people. How? It reduces poverty by creating job opportunities to improve the well-being of local people, which means it reduces the need for young people to leave homes to look for work in the cities. Again, ecotourism also brings a better standard of living through improved facilities and sanitation, such as clinics, drinkable water sources, new roads. Obviously, the visitors will need roads to reach that destination. Some offers bursaries to local people. Also, ecotourism helps to create a better appreciation of the world's natural resources, such as landscapes, wildlife, and coral reefs. This stimulates a desire to protect the natural environment. Likewise, the South African Tourism Company report shows that the ecotourism has hired about 21% or more of the South African population. It has also been noted that the country's GDP has increased over the past 2 years as a result of ecotourism. Hence, South Africa is indeed a place to be when you want to visit eco-friendly places. Fun Travel Company, explore the beauty of nature.